Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Pinataob ng New York Knicks ang San Antonio Spurs 117-114. Top performer ng New York Knicks si Mikal Bridges sa likod ng kanyang 41 points, 1 rebound, 4 assists, 2 steals at 2 blocks. Para naman sa San Antonio Spurs, top performer si Victor Wembanyama sa likod ng kanyang 42 points, 18 rebounds, 4 assists, 1 steal at 4 blocks. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Nagtala naman si Josh Hart ng 12 points, 12 rebounds, 6 assists at 2 steals. Jalen Brunson 20 points, 7 rebounds, 9 assists at 1 steal. Karl Anthony Towns 21 points, 9 rebounds, 2 assists. OG Anunoby 8 points, 5 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 steal. Mikal Bridges 41 points, 1 rebound, 4 assists, 2 steals at 2 blocks. Nag-ambag naman si Precious Achiuwa ng 5 points, 10 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal at 1 block. Cameron Payne 2 points, 1 assist. Miles McBride 8 points, 3 rebounds at 2 assists. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Para naman sa natalong San Antonio Spurs, Jeremy Sochan 21 points, 9 rebounds, 2 assists. Harrison Barnes 3 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist at 1 block. Victor Wembanyama 42 points, 18 rebounds, 4 assists, 1 steal at 4 blocks. Chris Paul 13 points, 6 rebounds, 7 assists at 1 steal. Devin Vassell 11 points, 3 rebounds, 5 assists at 1 block. Nag-ambag naman si Julian Champagnie ng 9 points, 2 rebounds at 1 assist. Keldon Johnson 2 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist. Trey Jones 7 points, 1 rebound, 9 assists at 1 steal. Stephon Castle 6 points, 2 rebounds at 3 assists. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.